Back to Easy Way to Learn Maths. In this session, let us discuss some properties and formulae, problems relating with De Moivre's theorem and the cube roots of unity. Here, 1 omega, which is nothing but minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, omega square minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 are the cube roots of unity, 1 power 1 by 3. Here, then 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. Similarly, the cube roots of positive real numbers a are a power 1 by 3 into 1, a power 1 by 3 into omega, a power 1 by 3 into omega square. The sum of nth roots of unity is 0. That is 1 plus omega square up to omega power n minus 1. Nth roots of unity means the last term must be omega power n minus 1. Their sum is equal to 0 and the product of nth roots of unity is minus 1 power n minus 1. That is 1 into omega square into up to omega power n minus 1 is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1. Here the nth roots of unity 1 omega square omega power n minus 1 are in geometric progression with common ratio omega, and it is important the nth roots of unity are precisely cis of 2k pi plus or minus theta by n. Cis means cos theta plus I sin theta. Now let us solve some problems based on these properties. Now find values of 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3 minus I power 1 by 6 minus 32 power 1 by 5. Here the cube roots of 1 by 3 means the third roots are cube roots of. Here the sixth roots of. Here the fifth roots of. Now we have already solved this type of problems. 1 minus I root 3. That is, we converted the given complex number into modulus amplitude form. Same problem we have to say, same procedure we have to adopt. Here 1 minus I root 3 must be compared with x plus iy. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus root 3. Then r is equal to root of x square plus y square, that is equal to root of 1 plus minus root 3 whole square is 3, that is equal to root 4, that is equal to 2. And cos theta is equal to x by r, that is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to y by r, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Then the theta value is nothing but minus 60. Therefore theta is equal to minus pi by 3. Therefore this 1 minus I root 3 can be written as, that is equal to cos minus pi by 3, r into r is here 2. 2 into cos minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. Then here it is given as 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. Therefore whole power 1 by 3 is equal to here also whole power 1 by 3. Therefore that is equal to 2 power 1 by 3. Cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as cis theta. Therefore cis of minus pi by 3 whole power 1 by 3. Then the general solutions are, that is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 into the general solution is cis 2k pi plus theta is here minus pi by 3 by 3 nth roots. Then simplification, that is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 into here 2k pi minus pi by 3. Let us take pi by 3 common. Here the LCM is 3. 3 2 is 6. Therefore cis 6k minus 1 pi common, pi by 3. Here also 3. 3 3 is 9. Where k is equal to, here the nth term is 3. Therefore, k is equal to up to 0, 1, 2 only. 0, 1, 2. Okay. This is the solutions. Sys of 6 pi minus 1 into pi by 9. Similarly, let us solve this problem also, which can be written as, therefore 0 minus 19 whole power 1 by 6. Then 0 minus 19 must be compared with x plus iy, where x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. Then again r is equal to root of x square plus y square, that is equal to root of 0 plus 1, that is equal to root 1, that is equal to 1. Then again cos theta is equal to x by r, sin theta is equal to y by r. Then cos theta is equal to x by r is x is equal to here 0. Therefore cos theta is equal to 0. Here sin theta is equal to y by r minus 1. Then here theta is nothing but, therefore theta is equal to minus pi by 2. Therefore now let us expand this one. Minus I can be written as r is also equal to 1. Therefore simply cos minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2. Okay. Then in the problem minus I power 1 by 6. Therefore minus I power 1 by 6 is equal to, this can be written as cis minus pi by 2 whole power 1 by 6. Then the general solution is, or the solutions are cis 2k pi plus means here minus pi by 2 by 6. Therefore that is equal to cis of, again taking pi by 2 common, then here LCM is 2. 2 2s are 4. Therefore 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 into 6. Here it is 12. Therefore for k is equal to, here n is equal to 6. Therefore up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the solutions of minus I power 1 by 6. Now similarly, let us solve this one also. Therefore here 32 minus 32 can be written as 32 into minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. 32 is nothing but 2 power 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Therefore that is equal to 2 power 5 into minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. Then again simplifying, 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5 is nothing but 2. 2 into minus 1 power 1 by 5. Here minus 1 can be written as minus 1 plus 0y. Then which is nothing but, then applying same formula, converting this one into modulus amplitude form. Here also r is equal to 1 and theta is equal to pi, because cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. Therefore this can be written as cos pi plus I sin pi. Okay. Then converting this one into, let us find the values of minus 1 power 1 by 5, that is equal to cis pi whole power 1 by 5. Cis pi, then the solutions are cis of 2k pi plus pi by 5. Therefore that is equal to cis of, taking pi common, 2k plus 1 into pi by 5. Then k is nothing but from 0 to, here n is equal to 5. Therefore 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 only. Now this is the procedure to find the values of given complex numbers with rational index by applying the De Moivre's theorem. Okay. Now if ABC are angles of a triangle such that here x is cis A, y is equal to cis B and z equal to cis C, then find the value of x into y into z. Now let us consider x, y, z. X, y, z equal to, x is here cis A dot, y is cis B dot, z is cis C. We know that cis theta 1 into cis theta 2 is equal to cis of theta 1 plus theta 2. Now applying that formula here, then cis A into cis B into cis C becomes cis of simply A plus B plus C. Then ABC are the angles of a triangle. Whenever ABC are angles of a triangle, then the sum of the angles in a triangle is nothing but 180 degrees. Therefore, since A plus B plus C is equal to 180, given they are the angles of a triangle, then that is equal to cis 180. This 180 can be expanded as cos 180 plus I sin 180. Then that is equal to minus 1 plus I into 0. That is equal to minus 1. Okay. Therefore, this of xyz is equal to minus 1. Now, here also, if x is equal to 6 theta, find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Here, x is given as 6 theta. Then, x power 6 is equal to 6 theta whole power 6. 6 theta is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 6. Then applying the De Moivre's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Therefore, here cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. Then let us find the value of 1 by x power 6 also. If x power 6 is equal to cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta, then 1 by x power 6 is nothing but cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. Then it is asked to find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Then x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is equal to, let us substitute cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus again 1 by x power 6 is cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. Here plus I sin 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta get cancelled. Then cos 6 theta plus cos 6 theta, that is equal to 2 cos 6 theta. And find the cube roots of 8. Then here let x cubed is equal to 8. Then x is equal to 8 power 1 by 3. 8 can be written as 8 into 1 power 1 by 3. That is equal to 8 power 1 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 3. Here 8 power 1 by 3 is nothing but 2. 2 into 1 power 1 by 3 means cube roots of unity. Actually, the cube roots of unity are 1 omega omega square. Therefore, the value of 2 into 1 power 1 by 3 is nothing but 2 comma 2 omega comma 2 omega square. Okay. These are the cube roots of 8. Now let us solve some more problems. Here, if 1 omega omega square are cube roots of unity, then prove that 1 by 2 plus omega plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega. Whenever 1 omega omega squares are cube roots of unity, then we know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cubed is equal to 1. Which are the basic properties. Now, by making use of these two conditions, let us prove LHS equal to RHS. Here LHS, let us take LHS 1 by 2 plus omega plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega. Then the LCM is 2 plus omega into 1 plus 2 omega product. Then here it becomes 1 plus 2 omega, here 2 plus omega, that is equal to here 2 plus 1 3 omega plus 2 omega plus 3 omega by here let us multiply, usual multiplication, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 twos are 4 omega plus omega into 1 omega plus 2 omega into omega 2 omega square. Then that is equal to here 3, let us take 3 common, 3 into 1 plus omega by here 2 omega square plus 5 omega plus that is 2. Let us divide this 5 omega into 2 omega plus 3 omega, that is equal to here 3 into 1 plus omega by 2 omega square plus 2 omega plus 2 plus remaining 3 omega. Then 3 plus 2 omega becomes again 5 omega. Nothing to worry. Therefore, here that is equal to again 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Then 1 plus omega becomes minus omega square. Therefore, 3 into here minus omega square by here let us take 2 common, 2 into then 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square plus 3 omega. Then 1 plus omega square is again 0. Therefore, simply it becomes that is equal to minus 3 omega square by 3 omega. 3 also get cancelled, and 1 omega cancelled. Therefore, it is nothing but minus omega. Then let us multiply with 1 plus omega on both numerator and denominator. Then here minus omega square, minus omega square by 1 plus omega. Here again, if we shift these two terms into RHS, then omega becomes minus omega, plus omega square becomes minus omega square. Then its value is nothing but 1. Therefore, 1 by 1 plus omega, which is our RHS, that is equal to RHS. Okay. Now here 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square into 2 minus omega power 10 into 2 minus omega power 11 is equal to 49. First of all, let us convert these two values. 2 minus omega power 10 is equal to 2 minus, it can be written as omega power 9 into omega. That is equal to 2 minus omega cubed whole cubed into omega. What is the value of omega cubed? Omega cubed is equal to 1. Therefore, it becomes simply that is equal to 2 minus omega. Therefore, 2 minus omega power 10 becomes simply 2 minus omega. Similarly, let us find the value of 2 minus omega power 11 also. Therefore, 2 minus omega power 11 is equal to, then 2 minus omega power 9 into omega square. Here 9 plus 1 10, here 9 plus 2 11. Therefore, again 2 minus omega power 9 is omega cubed whole cubed into omega square. That's good. Again omega cubed is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega. Therefore, here the value of 2 minus omega power 10 is nothing but 2 minus omega, and the value of 2 minus omega power 11 is nothing but 2 minus omega square. Now let us consider the LHS here also. LHS. What is LHS? 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square into, again now in place of 2 minus omega power 10 we have to consider 2 minus omega only. Therefore, 2 minus omega into, and again in place of 2 minus omega power 11 we have to consider 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega square. Therefore, here it is nothing but this term is repeated. Therefore, this can be written as 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, simply whole square. Now let us find the value of this one, usual product. Therefore, that is equal to usual multiplication. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 into minus omega square minus 2 omega square. Again minus omega into 2 minus 2 omega. Here minus into minus plus omega into omega square, omega cube, again whole square. Therefore, now let us simplify. Here let us take minus 2 common. Therefore, that is equal to 4 minus 2 common taking. Then here omega cube is 1. Here minus 2, if we take minus 2 common, then it is nothing but omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square. Here omega cubed is 1 plus 1 whole square. Therefore, that is equal to omega plus omega square is minus 1. Shifting plus 1 to RHS. Then omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 4 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Therefore, that is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Therefore, 4 plus 2 plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 6 plus 1 7 square, that is equal to 49, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Now here also x plus the product of x plus y plus z and x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here also let us consider LHS and we prove it RHS. Now first of all, let us find the value of the product of these two terms, x plus y omega plus z omega square into here x plus y omega square plus z omega. That let us find the product. Now usual product, let us consider x into, multiply x with these three terms, then x into x, x square, then xy omega square, then xyz, xz omega, xz omega. Next, let us consider this term and product with these three terms. Then here y omega into x is nothing but xy omega, then y into y square, here omega into omega square, omega cube, plus here yz omega square, yz omega square, plus next with the last term z omega square into product of these three terms. Then here xz omega square, xz omega square, then yz omega power 4, yz omega power 4, then last term z into z square, omega square into omega cube, plus z square omega cube. Now let us simplify. Let us put these things in order. First x square, then here let us simplify y square into omega cube. Omega cube is nothing but 1, therefore it is nothing but simply plus y square. Here also z square into omega cube, which is nothing but z square. Therefore x square, y square, z square. Then the remaining terms. Let us take xy common. Then here the term is omega square. Here the term is omega. Here where is another xy? Therefore, no, only two terms, xy into omega square, and here xy into omega. Okay. Then let us take yz common. Yz. Here yz term. Here also yz term. What is the value of omega power 4? Omega power 4 is nothing but omega cubed into omega. Omega cubed is 1. Therefore yz here is only omega. Therefore here the coefficient of yz is omega. Here the coefficient of yz is omega square. Therefore omega square plus omega. And the last term is zx or xz plus zx. Then here the coefficient of xz is omega. Okay. And here the coefficient of xz is omega square. Therefore here also omega plus omega square, that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus xy into omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square is shifting 1 to RHS. It becomes minus 1. Here minus 1. Here also same thing, minus 1. Here also same thing, plus zx into minus 1. Therefore that is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. What is this one? This is nothing but the product of these two terms. Now let us consider LHS. Therefore LHS simplifies. What is LHS? X plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega, where therefore that is equal to, here in place of x plus y plus z, here it is same x plus y plus z into, here the product is derived as x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, which is nothing but the basic form. The x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is nothing but, which is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is the standard formula. Therefore, which is our RHS, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Here, if 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, same condition. Whenever 1 omega square are cube roots of unity, then 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 and omega cubed is equal to 1. Same, by using these two properties we have to find the values. Okay, now find the value of a plus b whole cube, a omega plus b omega square whole cube, a omega square plus b omega whole cube. First of all, let us find the values individually. Then a plus b whole cube is equal to direct formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Standard formula. Then let us find the value of this one also, a omega plus b omega square whole cube. Same formula, a cube is here, a cubed omega cube plus 3a square b is here. 3a square is a omega whole square into b is b omega square plus 3a b square. Therefore 3 into a is here, a omega, b square is nothing but b omega square whole square, b omega square whole square into then plus b cube. B cube is b omega square whole cube. Now let us simplify. Therefore omega cube here also 1. Therefore a cube plus here a square omega square, then 3 a square b omega square into omega square, omega power 4 plus here a b square, 3 a b square omega into omega power 4, then omega power 5 plus here b cubed omega power 6. Now that is equal to a cube plus omega power 4 is omega cubed into omega, which is nothing but omega only. Therefore 3a square b omega plus here 3a b square omega power 5 can be written as omega cubed into omega square. Again omega cubed is 1. Therefore here it is simply omega square plus then b cubed omega power 6 is omega cubed whole square, 1 square, that is equal to 1. Okay, say it is equation 1, it is equation 2. Now let us find the value of this one also. Then a omega square plus b omega whole cube is equal to same formula. A cube is here, a omega square whole cube plus 3a square b is a omega square whole square into b is b omega plus 3a b square. Therefore 3 into a is again a omega square, b square is b omega whole square plus b cube, b omega whole cube. Then here also a omega square whole cube is nothing but a cubed omega square whole cube. Therefore a cubed omega square whole cube is omega power 6. Again omega power 6 is nothing but omega cubed whole square. Omega cubed is 1. Therefore it is nothing but 1 plus here 3a square b. Then here omega power 4 into omega. Total omega power 5. Omega power 5 can be written as omega cubed into omega square. Again omega cubed is 1. Therefore here only omega square plus here 3a b square. 3a b square into here omega square. Here also omega square. Omega power 4. Omega power 4 is nothing but omega cubed into omega. Therefore again it becomes only omega plus here b cubed omega cube. B cubed into omega cubed is also equal to 1, which is nothing but equation 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 implies, what is 1 plus 2 plus 3? A plus b whole cube plus a omega plus b omega square whole cube plus here a omega square plus b omega whole cube. Now let us substitute. That is equal to here from 1 a cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube plus second one from 2 here a cube plus 3a square b omega plus 3ab square omega square plus b cube. This second one. Next third one. Here third one is again a cube plus 3a square b omega square plus 3ab square omega plus b cube. Now let us simplify. Here a cube plus a cube plus a cube, which is nothing but 3a cube plus. Now let us take 3a square b terms. Here 3a square b into 1. Here 3a square b into omega. Here 3a square b into omega square. Therefore here the 3a square b's coefficient is 1 plus here omega plus here omega square. Similarly let us take 3a b square terms also common. Here 3a b square into 1. Here 3a b square into omega square. Here 3a b square into omega. Here also 1 plus omega square. Then last b cube terms. B cube plus b cube plus b cube, which is nothing but 3b cube. Now we have to observe here both the coefficients are 1 plus omega square. What is the value of 1 plus omega square, which is nothing but 0. Therefore this term becomes 0, this term also becomes 0. Therefore simply 3a cube plus 3b cube, that is equal to 3a cube plus 3b cube. Or if you take 3 common, then it becomes a cube plus b cube, which is the value. Okay. Now here also find the value of 1 minus omega plus omega square whole cube. Here let us observe, let us add these two terms. Then 1 plus omega square minus omega whole cube. Again 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Therefore that is equal to minus omega already, minus omega whole cube. That is equal to minus 2 omega whole cube. That is equal to minus 2 whole cube omega cube. Therefore minus 2 whole cube is nothing but minus 8. Omega cube is 1. That is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now here let us find the value of 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega power 4 into 1 minus omega power 8. Here also let us first of all simplify these two terms. Omega power 4 is nothing but omega cubed into omega. Therefore that is equal to 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega cubed into omega into again 1 minus omega power 6 into omega square. Omega power 4 can be written as omega cubed into omega power 1. Omega power 8 can be written as omega power 6 into omega square. Therefore that is equal to 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into, here omega cubed is 1. Therefore simply it is 1 minus omega again. Here omega power 6 is also equal to 1. Since omega power 6 can be written as omega cubed whole square. Therefore it is also equal to 1. Then here it is 1 minus omega square. Here also both the terms are repeated. Therefore that is equal to 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square whole square. Now let us find the values of this one. Usual multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus omega square, minus omega square. Minus omega into 1, minus omega. Minus into minus plus omega into omega square, omega cube whole square. Therefore that is equal to, again here 1 plus omega cube. 1 omega cube is also equal to 1. Therefore 1, let us take here minus common. Here omega square plus omega plus 1 whole square. Again omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square is minus 1. Therefore that is equal to 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square. That is equal to, here also plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 square is 9. Okay. Now let us simplify this one also. Here 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 5. Now that is equal to, again let us write first of all 1 plus omega square minus omega whole power 5. Here also same 1 plus omega minus omega square whole power 5. Same 1 plus omega square is 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Therefore that is equal to minus omega whole power 5 plus here 1 plus omega. Therefore 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Therefore minus omega square whole power 5. That is equal to minus 2 omega whole power 5 plus here minus 2 omega square whole power 5. That is equal to minus 2 whole power 5 omega power 5 plus minus 2 whole power 5 omega power here 10. 5 to the 10. Then that is equal to taking minus 2 whole power 5 common. Minus 2 whole power 5 into omega power 5 plus omega power 10. Therefore again omega power is nothing but minus 2 whole power 5 is minus 2 into up to 5 times. That is nothing but minus 32. Here omega power 5 can be written as omega cubed into omega square. Omega power 10 is omega power 9 into omega. Here omega cubed is equal to 1. Omega power 9 is also equal to 1 because omega power 9 is nothing but omega cubed whole cube. Therefore that is equal to minus 32 into here simply omega square plus omega. Again omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. That is equal to minus 32 into minus 1. That is equal to 32. Okay. With this we conclude this session. Thank you for watching.